So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Vikas Multicorp share. So mainly in this particular video, we'll discuss all the bulk deals which happened recently in the February month, and also we'll do the volume analysis followed by technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So about Vikas Multicorp, if you want the fundamental analysis video or if you want to know about the company, I've already made videos regarding Vikas Multicorp. So earlier I made complete videos on Vikas Multicorp. I strictly told that if once you're invested in Vikas Multicorp, just leave it. Don't additionally add any heavy amounts. Even if it corrects, again it goes up. So that is basic operator activity that we see actually in Vikas Multicorp. So today we'll understand whether the operators have completely entered in Vikas Multicorp, or again if there is any other trap which is left behind. So everything we'll discuss. So watch the video till the end, and if you have not joined the Telegram group, definitely join that. So today almost I told everything, like when Magma FinCorp was open, also I updated about Magisco. Already it has hit the upper circuit, so nothing to discuss about that. And also every week I'm discussing almost set of 10 stocks, okay, that you can add to your watch list. So Jagran Prakash was one stock which has given very good returns. So today also it has shown some 10% movement. So make sure you join the Telegram so that you will have the idea of the stocks which I'm discussing. Either you can watch them, it is up to you, or if you want to do any sort of investment, again do your analysis. I may suggest at good levels only. If you're interested, only take them and hold for long term. Don't do any short term trading. So those stocks are good for long term. Okay, so firstly, let us discuss how the promoter of Vikas Multicorp, so what are their activities. So if we see quarter on quarter basis, and if we compare the June 2020 quarter and the December 2020 quarter, so that time we know that the promoter holding was 55.3%, and later in December 2020 we have seen that the stake has been reduced and it has been cut down to 33.7%. so this thing I updated with a separate video. I've posted about this also. If you have not watched that, definitely watch it. So on regular basis I updated regarding Vikas Multicorp. So later it has been continuously going down because the management itself has been selling. Okay, I explained that as well. So what was the main goal for the company was to improve financially, that to post good results. So we'll see financials as well, how it has posted. So completely it has become an operator stock. So whenever the operator wants to enter, they will enter, they'll take the share price to a certain extent, and later they'll start dumping. Okay, so ultimately who will get lost? The people who are holding for long term, they will get lost. The people who are doing positional, so they'll enter at the bottom, again they'll exit at the top. Again for them no loss will not be present. Only for the long term investors who are entering again and again, removing again, so ultimately you will enter into loss. So that's why I told that once you're invested in Vikas Multicorp, if you put a certain amount, then you should leave it. Don't do any exit again buying. So that sort of activities again will enter in, make you losses. So that's what is a simple strategy, since it is a penny stock. So once you've invested, so forget about that. So okay, this is one thing that the promoter has reduced. So this all of us know. So what is other thing? So FII's holding. So if we see FII's holding, so if we see in June 2020 quarter, we know that 5.2 before quarters roughly it was 4.8%. So now if we see in December 2020 quarter, the FII's holding has increased to almost 13.2%. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you, that FII's holding has increased. So now we'll go to the bulk deals section. So in bulk deals, we'll see what are the institutions or companies which have done the recent selling action. So how much quantity of shares they have sold. Okay, so everything we'll see now. Okay, so we are back onto the bulk deals section. So clearly you can see on 8th February, again on 5th February. So these were the various bulk deals which happened. Okay, clearly you can see this. So identify all the bulk deals. So whichever companies are entering, whichever companies are leaving. So you'll understand whether buying is happening or selling is happening, or only it's the operator game that makes you enter at these levels. So definitely you're seeing that operator's game is that. So they have entered at low levels. Exactly, if you see when I take you to the chart pattern. So there you'll understand that they've entered at the lower levels and continuous, I guess, second or third day. Okay, this is the upper circuit day. So with huge volumes, they are buying the stock. So we'll discuss that. So now let's see which companies have sold. So if you see Albula Investment Fund, so it has sold almost 1 crore shares, roughly you can say around 3.76, and again it has sold on 5th February. So first one was near 8th February, again near 5th February it has sold almost 1 crore shares. Again if you see Aviator Global Investment, so this was the one's company which we discussed earlier also, when it has added in Vikas Multicorp roughly near very low levels, it has added that, again it has averaged and now they have exited. You can see almost that many shares have been exited at 3.46 level. So Albula Investment is one which is selling on a regular basis. Okay, so whenever selling is happening, obviously buyer also will be there. So operators again on the other side, they're buying the stocks, and we the retailers also buy in small portions. So never increase the stake which you're buying. Always follow a set of pattern that you follow in penny stocks and invest accordingly. Okay, so next if we see the insider trading, so what are the insider? So this also we have discussed, that is Vinod Kumar Garg, the major management, they have sold almost, you can see 5 lakh shares, 51 lakh shares. So these are the on regular basis, you can see holding is still holding is there, so not completely they have sold that, so selling is there. So these 10 lakh share quantity, if you see the quantity they are selling, so because it is a penny stock, you may see that the quantity is more, and if you compare with the bulk deals which are happening, so that is hefty quantity, you can see that is in crores. Okay, so that much amount of shares they have been removing, that is various institutions, and the management also on the other side has removed, you can see date as well. So if you see 28 January was one thing, so you can see transaction type here on 28th January. So this particular insider selling has been seen. Okay, so now what is left? So if you now let's discuss about the financials as well, so you'll have the idea. Okay, so if you see the financials as well in the December 2020 quarter, you can see nothing much great happened. Okay, earlier it has reported little decent, but now the December 2020 is something very different. You can see revenue is completely down almost 80%, net income is also down, and you can see net profit margin is also down by 70.95%. Okay, so financials wise also it needs a lot of improvement, and also from the management side also some attention is required towards the company, some additional things, so that should be done, because a penny stock becomes a multi-bagger only when the management tries to do something for the company, something beneficial. So that time only it will attract the buyers, and also other institutions will hold it for a certain period of time, rather than if you go to bulk deals, you're seeing only exit is present, so you can't see any consistency in buying. So that's why the stock movement has also not given that much returns. So this thing you need to understand. So whenever you're investing in any stock, first analyze about management, so how the management is behaving. So that is the key factor that will decide the future of the company. So that is what I can say. So invest in small quantity and leave it. Okay, so now we'll go technical charts and we'll see what are the supports and resistances. Okay, quickly we'll do the volume analysis as well. So volume analysis, clearly you can see 100% deliveries have been achieved and the traded quantity has been reduced. So ultimately when directly upper circuit is hitting, it implies that traded quantity will be 0 and deliverable quantity will be present. So that is what we are seeing. Okay, so next when we see indicators wise, so you can see indicators wise, when we go to technical charts, you can see stock prices in going up, but you'll see that money flow index is little bit downward. So why that? So definitely we'll go when we go technical charts to understand. So money flow index we are seeing near 64.5 and RSI is also in mid range. So not in overbought region nor in oversold region. So completely in mid range, which is again little bit positive regarding technicals. We are seeing regarding technicals. So now let's go to technical chart. Okay, so this is the 1-day chart of Vikas Multicorp. So if you see current market price is almost around 3.35, and today we have seen a direct upper circuit. Today's market has given a huge correction. So we'll discuss tomorrow set of stocks that you can add. So don't miss, and also join the Telegram. So clearly you can see here that the stock, whenever it tries to go up, it gives a little bit of trigger. It shows that I'm going up, but again it sells. Again it shows that I'm going up, again it sells. So same thing has now happened, but in this pattern we can see that direct upper circuit was seen. So not we have not seen any opening, so direct upper circuit was seen. So that is we can say a little positive thing. So clearly you can see it has been taking the support of 3 rupees level from where it has retraced. Again you can see money flow index is pointing downward. So today after 3 days movement also, you'll see money flow index has fallen. So it is trying to go to oversold region. So if you see volumes also, you'll see very less volumes. Okay, so very negligible because less volumes are present. So that is one reason. So that particular strength to show that momentum, so that has not been generated. So if it shows in the next coming session, so it will go up. So I'll mention whatever it is there in the Telegram. So do join the Telegram as well. Okay, so if we go to the 1 week chart, so 1 week chart is very crucial. So there you can say it has entered the oversold. It is trading near 6. Can you imagine? It is in heavy oversold region. Heavy oversold. Generally I see stocks basically 20. So being a penny stock, it's in completely oversold region. And if you see, one major thing is that the 50 exponential moving average, where it has, when it has gone below that, it has maintained that negativity and it has remained down. Okay, so that was one thing. So now the major resistance would be 5 rupees level. So if it breaks the 5 rupees level, definitely it will show the momentum. So operators will enter and again they'll take the stock up. So 5 rupees you can take as a very strong resistance, and support is as usual 3 rupees. So support is 3 rupees, resistance is 5 rupees. Okay, so note down this, and accordingly, if you have entered at those particular levels, follow these. So further, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can join the Telegram. So tomorrow, that is Sunday, I'll discuss 10 stocks. All the 10 stocks that you are discussing are based on complete analysis, whether they are present near supports, when they give any breakout. So basis on that only I'm taking, so that you'll get minimum decent return. So 10 to 15% return is not bad. So you'll get those returns. If you want to add to watch list, if you want to do paper trade, so depends upon you. So take your decision accordingly and join. Okay, so nothing, I'm not charging any fees or anything, just free of cost. I am making sure that everyone makes the profit. My aim is to spread more knowledge rather than taking money from everyone. So that is not my motto. So everyone should be benefited. So watch the stocks clearly. You'll understand how to do how to actually enter. I told all the technical setup as well, when to enter, like the moving averages concept. So everything we all know. So basis on that only we are taking the trade. Okay, so join the Telegram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.